Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the Ninja Prestige Smart XL Countertop Oven, a versatile 10-in-1 kitchen appliance that's making waves in home cooking. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. The Ninja Prestige Smart XL DT501 is not just any countertop oven, it's a powerhouse designed to streamline meal prep and elevate your cooking experience. With its stainless steel design, it not only looks sleek on your countertop but also offers a range of functionalities that make it a must-have for any kitchen. Let's talk about some of its standout features. First and foremost, this oven boasts 10 cooking programs that cover virtually every cooking need. Whether you want to air-fry crispy chicken wings, bake a perfect pizza, broil a juicy steak, or dehydrate fruits for snacks, this oven does it all. The smart Surround Convection technology is a game-changer, utilizing a high-velocity fan and a rear heat source to ensure that your food cooks evenly from all angles. This means no more worrying about hotspots or uneven cooking. One of the remarkable aspects of the Ninja Prestige Smart XL is its XL family-sized capacity. It's designed to fit up to two 9x9 baking trays, allowing you to bake up to 20 cookies at once. It can accommodate up to 9 slices of toast or 9 bagel halves on a rack and even fits a whole 12-pound turkey. This makes it an excellent choice for families or anyone who loves to entertain guests. Another highlight is how quickly it operates. With a 90-second preheat time and up to 30% faster cooking compared to traditional convection ovens, you can have meals on the table in no time. This is particularly beneficial for busy families or individuals who want to enjoy home-cooked meals without spending hours in the kitchen. Plus, if you're health-conscious, you'll appreciate that this oven can air-fry your favorite foods with up to 75% less fat than traditional methods, making it easier to indulge in healthier meals. The design of the Ninja Prestige Smart XL is not just about functionality, it also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. The digital display handle is intuitive, illuminating the optimal oven rack positions based on your selected cooking function. And when you open the door, the settings freeze, preventing any accidental changes during the cooking cycle. So, who is this oven suitable for? If you're a busy parent juggling work and home life, a college student living in a small apartment, or someone who enjoys hosting friends and family, this countertop oven can easily meet your needs. It's also perfect for anyone looking to simplify their cooking process without compromising on taste or quality. Now, let's discuss some practical use cases. Imagine hosting a game night with friends, whip up a batch of air-fried wings, bake a pizza, and toast up some bagels for a delightful spread, all using one appliance. Or, on a busy weeknight, you can quickly prepare a whole chicken with roasted vegetables and have dinner ready in under an hour. The versatility of this oven truly shines in various cooking scenarios, making it an invaluable addition to your kitchen arsenal. In summary, the Ninja Prestige Smart XL Countertop Oven is a multifunctional kitchen appliance that combines convenience, speed, and health-conscious cooking all in one stylish package. Whether you're looking to air-fry, bake, toast, or even dehydrate, this oven has you covered. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.